Alright folks, welcome to another hunting episode. It is December 19th. It is 3:57 right now. Still looking for that 13 point. I'm gonna hunt until 30 minutes after sunset. And if I don't see that big old 13 point, then I'll go into hog mode. Alright folks, let's see what happens. Right now it's the perfect time for a thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe today and turn on the notification bell. I will see you right after this. Hello folks, and welcome to North Texas Hunting and Outdoor Adventure. Alright folks, this is the first activity. It's 4:33. Got a little 4-point young buck at the feeder. I'm looking for that 13 point. Or something bigger. Yeah, this one's a young one. Young 4-point. Well, I'm going to hunt to 30 minutes after sunset for venison. And after that, I'm going to go into hog mode. And I'm hoping I can get hog number 20. Oh, last weekend, I shot 2 hogs at that feeder right here. Yeah, I was reviewing that video while I was talking. Hog number 3 missed several times. He was... he just couldn't leave the pack, but there was the big sow and a smaller sow. There was 3 that showed up, and I got 2 of them. Got 1 on the first shot. I really thought I had 2 with a 1 shot, but it ended up being only 1. And young sow was leaving, not moving too fast, and I got the second one. I think I just got busted. But the third one just kept on coming around. There's one time I was actually filming and talking, looking at the camera, and I had the ThOR 4 pointing that direction. And that hog was, after I reviewed the video, I said, man, I had missed that opportunity. Yeah, that 4-point, he's, something's got his attention. Alright folks, I'll be right back. If something bigger shows up, I'll fire up the camera, the thermal, and I'll show you that later. If nothing happens, I'll turn it back on later tonight when the hog shows up, and looking for that big old 13 point or something bigger, or some hogs. Hog number 20. I got a feeling that hog number 20, it'll be tonight. Alright folks, I'll be right back. Alright folks, it is 5:34. It's sunset right now. I can hunt till 6:04. So the only thing I've seen was that 4-point earlier. So I got 30 more minutes. 29 minutes, something like that. Still looking for that 13 point. At 6:30, at 6:04. 6:03, I can hunt legally till 6:04. But at 6:03, I'm just going to go into hog mode and see what happens tonight. All right, folks, I'll be right back. I'll turn everything back on when that hog number 20 shows up. All right, I'll be right back. Right now, it's the perfect time for a thumbs up. All right, folks, it is 6:04, 6:03 or 6:04. I'm gonna say that legally I could hunt till 6:04, so I'm gonna say that hunting for venison, that is over. I'm gonna switch over to hog mode. I'm looking for hog number 20. I'm going to be out here till about 10. I know tonight's going to be cold. I think the low for tonight is 32 degrees. So it's going to be cold tonight. That tells me tomorrow morning it's going to be cold on the way up here. Alright, folks, that's it. That is a quick update. So I'm going to turn everything back on when the hogs show up. I'm going to be out here till about 10. Maybe a little bit longer, I'm not sure. Alright, folks, do me a favor right now. Perfect time for a thumbs up. That really helps this small channel. Alright, folks. Thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe today. Alright, folks, I'll be right back. Well, folks, it is 8:05. I haven't seen any hogs yet. I was going to stay till 10, but I'm a little tired, so I'm not really that mad at them. So I'm going to head back to the campsite, get a good night rest, and do this again in the morning. Alright, right there is my personal icon. Check out these other videos down here. And I will see you on the next video. Alright. I'll see y'all guys in the morning.